This is my Grab the Grapes app. It works, but it looks boring. I will show some ways to put backgrounds on the canvas. This will make it look nicer. One easy choice is to pick a color. To make a color, I click Canvas. Then I look on the right for Background Color. If I click the white box, I can see color choices, and I can pick one of those, or I can click Custom and make my own color. Again, Custom, then make a color. Much better. Another thing I could do if I want a background is put a picture on the canvas. If I want to do that, first I need to find a picture. I can open a new tab and look for a picture of a grocery store. I can find a picture of anything I want, but I will pick a grocery store because that is a place you can find grapes. I will find a picture, then right-click the picture and click Save Image As. I will save the picture on my computer, then go back to App Inventor. Make sure I have clicked the canvas, then click Background Image. Right now it says None because there is no picture. I will click None, then I will click Upload File, then choose File. Then I need to find the grocery store picture I just saved and click Open. Then I will click OK. Now my grapes will bounce around at the grocery store. They might be a little bit hard to see. If I wanted to, I could try to find a better picture. What if I want to have lots of pictures, and then they can change sometimes? If I want to have more than one picture, first I need to find those pictures. I will just pick some different grocery stores. But you can pick anything you want. Now I have 3 pictures of different grocery stores. If I want my app to be able to use different pictures, I need to find Media and then upload those pictures. The first grocery store picture is already there, so I will add grocery store 2 and grocery store 3. Now I can change the picture here. But if I want the app to choose for me, so I will not know what picture it will start with, I will need to do that in blocks. First, I need to make a list of the names of my grocery store pictures. I will start with this block that says, make a list. Then I will use pink text blocks and type the names of my grocery store pictures, including the dot and the letters after it. Grocery store 2.jpg. I need one more. I will add another item to the list. Now I have a list of my pictures, but I need to store it somewhere in the computer's memory. I need to tell the computer where to save this list. And that means I need to make a variable. I will take this block that says initialize global, and it is asking me what I want to name my list. I will call it list of pictures, because that is what it is. Now, I can get random things from this list to make the computer change the picture. Maybe I want the picture to change every time I touch the grapes. Here is how I would do that. I would find when the image sprite is touched, and then I would get ready to add some blocks to this script. I want to add blocks that say, set the canvas background image to a random picture from the list. So I will start with set the canvas background image. I will click canvas. Then I will find set canvas background image, a dark green block, and I will put it there. Now how do I say get a random thing from this list? Like this. I click lists, then find the block that says pick a random item. Then it is asking me from what list? And I can say from the list of pictures. Now, every time I touch the grapes, it still does the same things as before. I get 1 point, my score updates, the grapes move, but now the background image will change to a random one from this list. What if I don't want it to change every time? What if I just want it to pick a random one when the game starts? I still need these blocks. These blocks tell it to set the canvas to show a random picture. But I don't want to put them here. I want to put them in a block that means when the game first starts. And this is how I do that. I click screen 1, then I look for the block that says when screen 1 initialize. That means when screen 1 first starts. Initialize means start, just like your initial is the first letter of your name. Then I can put this one right here. And now, this says whenever the game starts, pick a random background image. there are probably other ways that you could use this to make your game interesting. Try different things. Remember to test them. And if you get stuck, ask for help.